Emerge, get up. Fall, lie down. 2. Merry. Adjective. Cheerful, joyful. Sad, gloomy. 3. Bells. Noun. Chimes, ringers. Silence. 4. Ring. Verb. Chime, resound. Mute, quiet. 5. Spring. Noun. Blossom, bloom. Autumn, winter. 6. Skylark. Noun. Bird, lark. 7. Rush. Noun. Songbird, bird. 8. Bush. Noun. Shrub, hedge. Tree, field. 9. Cheerful. Adjective. Joyful, happy. Sad, upset. 10. Echoing. Verb or adjective. Resounding, repeating. Silent, quiet. 1. Lap away. Verb phrase. Forget, dismiss. Dwell on, regret. 2. Care. Noun or verb. Concern, attention. Neglect, ignore. 3. Oak. Noun. Tree, hardwood. 4. Among. Preposition. Amidst, between. Outside, beyond. 5. Folk. Noun. People, community. Stranger, outsider. 6. Joys. Noun. Pleasures, delights. Sorrows, grief. 7. Youth time. Noun. Youth, adolescence. Old age, senility. 1. Till. Conjunction. Until, up to. Since, after. 2. Little ones. Noun phrase. Children, kids. Elders, adults. 3. Weary. Adjective. Tired, exhausted. Energetic, fresh. 4. Descend. Verb. Go down, drop. Rise, ascend. 5. Round. Preposition or adjective. Around, circular. Straight, direct. 6. Lapse. Noun. Folds, embrace. 7. Nest. Noun. Home, roost. 8. Ready. Adjective. Prepared, set. Unready, unwilling. 9. Rest. Noun or verb. Relax, pause. Work, activity. 10. Sport. Noun. Play, game. Work, labor. 11. No more. Phrase. Gone, ended. Still, continuing. 12. Darkening. Verb. Dimming, shadowing. Brightening, lighting. 13. Green. Adjective or noun. Fresh, verdant. Dry, brown.